Hi everyone, Mike here from Robart, and today we're talking about Cub gear. So the Cub gear that Robart makes is extremely scale. So you have your upper brace, your lower brace, and you got your bungees. And when you land, very scale look to it so that you have your strutting action. We got them available on a 5th scale and a 1/4 scale. And then we also make the Balsa USA Cub gear. So that's for their 1/4 scale and 3rd scale. If you got any further questions on these, check us out at www.robart.com. Give us a call at 630-584-7616 or follow us on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and Pinterest. Have a good day.